Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the G-Force Arms Refuge. We're going to be doing a teardown on this and a walkthrough on the cleaning process. First off, we're going to make sure that the firearm is unloaded. You're going to pull that charging handle back, visually inspect the magazine tube and the chamber. As long as she's unloaded, you can go ahead and take the safety off and depress that trigger. Now we're going to take a look at the other end of the gun. We're going to take off this choke tube. Alright, and then we're going to unscrew our magazine cap. And your fore end will slide right off the top. Next, you're going to take this charging handle out. To do so, you're going to pull back on the action bar just a little bit, and it should wiggle right out. Next, you're going to take off this knurling nut off both sets of threads. And as you can see, that barrel and action is ready to come out. Alright, so you can set your barrel aside. And then here you've got your bolt group assembly, action bar, and arm pipe. And then you can take the gas piston out of the barrel. And last but not least, your spring off your magazine tube. Some critical maintenance locations on this gun that you want to take care of. First and foremost is your gas piston. Make sure you use a cleaner or lube that will work on carbon buildup. Of course, your bolt group assembly, want to make sure that is clean and free of debris. Your barrel, your choke tube threads, and inside your action on your receiver. Alright, to put this bad boy back together, you're going to take this spring, put it back on the mag tube. You're going to put your piston back into the slot on the barrel. And here you're going to put your bolt group assembly back on the action bar. Take your arm pipe, fit that together like so. And you want to keep this level because if you tilt it at all, the bolt might fall off. So keep that roughly level. Slide that back over. And then keeping tension on this spring, I'm going to put that charging handle back in. And you can see how this bolt is sliding. You slide that until you can match the keyhole so there's a slot for your charging handle. Push that guy back in. Now we're going to put our barrel back on. And you're kind of coax the charging handle back with it until it all lines up. And put your knurling nut back on. Make sure that's tight and in place. Next will be your fore end. Mag cap. And last but not least, your choke tube. And as always, run that charging handle a couple times, make sure everything's functioning properly, and you're all set.